Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And on another video of the auto detailing segment, we're going to be putting a few different of these chemicals to a test. Now what this video is specifically going to be about is, obviously you can see here some interior cleaners, but in my vehicle I use this. I have a brand new 2020 Kia Telluride. I use this because it's a natural shine and it protects the dash and everything, and it doesn't leave that greasy, shiny look. And then I use this on like the piano black and anything that I don't want a film of anything on, and this does a really good job. But today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. My wife's 2009 Kia Spectra, it's always parked outside, so the dash is actually really faded. Whereas this will probably not do much to help that dash. It's not really going to restore anything. So something like this wouldn't be good for attempting to restore vinyl, plastic, or anything like that. This is literally a cleaner and a protector. This is a Meguiar's Natural Shine Protectant. I really like the way this stuff smells. I like the way it looks after it's all done, and that's why I use this. So it's a non-greasy formula, shines and protects, superior UV blocking for durable protection. And I'm not even sure if this one will really, bring back the look of the dash. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape off the dash into 4 different sections, and we're going to be trying these different chemicals and I'm going to leave it for a day or so just to see not which one's the best interior dash cleaner and protector, but which one actually can help maybe restore a little bit of the dash. And there are chemicals out there that are specifically for restoring. Like this is also supposed to help restore, that black look on your trim and vinyls. And so this one might actually be, this and the Silk Shine is probably what I'm leaning towards being probably the best ones at restoring some of that color or look. But I think these might just kind of mask it. But I know this dash is going to be extremely thirsty, so it might need a couple coats of everything just to see which one does the best. So I already explained the Meguiar's Natural Shine. This is Turtle Wax Ice. Their ice lineup is actually a very good lineup and very affordable as well. This is a non-greasy formula that cleans, shines, conditions, and neutralizes odors. So this does have a conditioner in it as well. So this one might be a challenger as well. The Silk Shine, I'm not sure if you guys can read this. Dressing is a 100% dry to the touch dressing that leaves a clean sheen on your interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. So this is going to be good for the dash. The Silk Shine is sprayable dressing, is formulated with Chemical Guys technology, blah blah blah, mirrors, trims, bumpers, guards, plastics, moldings, all of that. Deep, long-lasting, dark finish. Silk Shine sprayable dressing is a water-based formula that can be easily removed and reapplied as needed. Chemical Guys Shine. And this is actually what I'm using on my black trim around the vehicle as well as my engine bay. And I usually would apply this with a special applicator, but for this video I will be applying all of these chemicals with their own microfiber towel. So they're all applied the exact same way, and we're going to see which one comes out the best, or maybe last. And then the VRP, this is specifically once again for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. This is not the spray like the Silk Shine dressing. It is ultimate protection and shine enhancer for interior and exterior trim. Easy protectant restores a deep black look, enhances shine, and protects the surface against UV solar rays. Protects tires, bumpers, trim pieces, bumper molding, side mirrors, and much more. It's supposed to leave trim and everything looking like new for weeks, not days. Restore the dark, rich shine to vinyl, rubber, and plastic trim. So this should be a good contestant as well. But it's going to be these 4. I'm going to tape off the dash in 4 different sections. We'll leave some, underneath the tape will be basically the untested area, so you'll still see what the original dash looked like. But let's get to cleaning the dash and hopefully restoring it a little bit. Also keep in mind, guys, I will try and link these are already in the description. I can add these because I do suggest these. These are great. I absolutely love them. So these will all be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. Other than that, I may or may not show. It's snowing outside right now. It's really not a good time to be detailing a car. But luckily we're just going to do the dash. But I may or may not show actually applying this. I am just going to, for the spray bottles, put 2 squirts each on their own microfiber towel and gently rub it into the dash. And this I'll put, 2 small dots onto a microfiber towel and rub it into its location as well. And I'll have each one marked out so you guys can tell. But really, this is my first time trying to see which one's best at restoring. I mean, you can find any and a lot of chemicals out there. It's very easy to find the ones that clean and shine your dash. But one to actually help restore that dried out dash, that's what we're looking for. So I don't even know which one of these is going to be best. So there's no reason for me to lie. I have no connections with any of these companies or chemicals or anything. So I'm just going to apply each one. I may or may not show the application process. But we're going to find out which one works best because I don't even know. I know I like to use this in my vehicle because I don't like that shine. But all these products work good for different situations. So I want to find out which one works best on the dash. And that's what we're doing now. Don't mind the snow and rain going on. As you can tell, this dash is very dried out. Here's kind of what it's supposed to look like, and as you get up here you can really see it's almost chalky. And here I have taped out. This is actually more of what it originally looked like to now what it looks like. That section will be the VRP, the Silk Shine, the Turtle Wax, and over here will be the Meguiars. So I'm going to go ahead and just simply spray 2 sprays onto each rag and clean each area, making sure not to cross the tape, and we'll see which one looks better right away and which one lasts the longest, or if it even helps restore. Okay, so I actually did 2 coats, and each rag got 3 sprays each for each coat, so a total of 6 sprays except for the VRP, which is a liquid that you drop on. I did 2 drops on the rag each time in 2 coats. So they all helped, but this thing is extremely dry, so you can tell exactly what it looks like straight down the middle. This is the Meguiars. So this is the stuff I love to use in my car, but once again, it's not really for restoring super dried cracks. It's for maintaining that natural look and including a little bit of protection, but not necessarily restoring. This is the Turtle Wax. I think it did a little bit better job. But once again, it's going to take time for the dash to absorb the chemicals and really, show how many more coats it's going to need, or whether it's going to do anything at all. And here, once again, that was the Turtle Wax. Moving over, that is the Silk Shine. If I back up a little bit more, you can see. So once again, they all did roughly. I think the Silk Shine has a little bit more shine to it than the Meguiars and the Turtle Wax, and it's a little bit deeper. And I think actually after a few coats of the Silk Shine, it might actually start to rejuvenate. But I mean, you're never going to get this thing back to its original look, but at least with these chemicals. But I'm trying to see which one works best. And then there you can see where the VRP starts, kind of down here as well. So that's what it used to look like. That's what it looks like with the VRP on there. I think the VRP is probably the best one, but once again, This is what it looks like now. I'm gonna do another coat, and then I'll let you guys know which one I believe turned out the best for restoring this dash. Alrighty, YouTubers, so I'm gonna finish up the video. I know it's definitely not the best of conditions in order to be doing this, but I did the best I could with what we're doing, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna show you quickly from the outside something I noticed, and we're gonna wrap it up. So I think it can be saved for a majority of it, this being the Meguiars and the turtle wax that didn't actually look to do too much, but after about a day of sitting, they actually seem just as dark, if not darker, than the VRP and Silk Shine. I know that's really hard to see. They actually seem darker, so I might actually try the Meguiars and or turtle wax all across the dash, and they're all seeming to help. So yeah, I think it's a great result. I mean, this dash was really bad, so the way it's coming along, I'm really happy with it. I'm going to continue to let it condition it and hopefully revitalize it, and we'll be good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed, please hit that thumbs up. Let me know which one you guys think is best, and what you use if you've ever had to kind of restore a dash. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you guys in the next one.